Hello and welcome to the Bachmann Accu drive video tutorial. Here we have the BT wedge distribution tool and the new levy tamper. Take note of the precision etched numbers on the middle of the tool and the indicator mark on the base. Step 1. Zero out the tool by holding the middle of the tool and loosening the top of the tool. Then screw the base of the tool into the middle of the unit until you cannot screw it any further. You will notice at this point the indication mark on the base of the tool will be aligned with the 0 on the middle of the tool. From 0, you can unscrew the base away from the middle of the tool to set it at any number you choose. For example, if you want to set your tool at a 6, simply unscrew the tool until the base indicator stops at 6. Then lock the setting into place by tightening the top. Both the new levy and BT distribution tools are calibrated in the same way. Now let's say you want to set the tool to a 16. After zeroing the tool out, you will unscrew the base one full rotation from 0 and then continue unscrewing the base until the indicator is aligned with 6. As you can see, there are 10 incremental steps per one full rotation of the base. Each numerical step adjusts the depth of the tool by 0.005 of an inch or 0.125 millimeters. We are often asked, at what setting should you start with? We commonly set the BT distribution tool to setting 12. To do this, first loosen the lid, zero out the tool, unscrew the base one full rotation, then stop on 2 and lock the lid. There you go, you have your setting of 12. We commonly set the new levy to a setting of 32. First, set your tool at 0, and then unscrew the base of the tool 3 full rotations and stop on number 2. Then lock the lid to hold the setting in place. There you go, you've set your tool at 32. After using the BT wedge, look and see if the espresso is perfectly smooth in the basket. If there are any holes on the surface of your espresso, simply go to a higher number on your BT tool. However, we recommend using the smallest number possible on the BT tool to accomplish a uniformly smooth spread of espresso in your basket. When dialing in the new levy tamper, if you find your espresso shots are running too slow, try setting your tool to a smaller number. Or inversely, if your espresso shots are running too fast, try a larger number. Once you find your preferred settings, you can easily and precisely make small and incremental adjustments to your tools for optimized and repeatable outcomes. Now, you are one step closer to making the world's finest espresso with your tools from St. Anthony Industries.